Do you desire to attract more wealth into your life? Welcome, my friends, to a journey of understanding the profound power of gratitude and its magical role in attracting wealth that you've been seeking. Let's embark on an exploration of a method that's as old as time itself, yet often overlooked in our modern world: the gratitude method. This method is a potent tool for personal growth and financial success, creating a path for abundance to flow into our lives. Gratitude, you see, is more than just saying thank you. It's a mindset, a way of life that opens up a world of opportunities, including the opportunity to attract more wealth. It's about acknowledging the good in our lives and appreciating what we have, which in turn invites more good to come our way. So, are you ready to unlock the door to your wealth with the key of gratitude? Stay tuned to discover how the gratitude method can transform your financial life. First, we need to understand what gratitude really means. It's more than simply saying thank you. It's a deep-seated recognition of the good things in our lives and an appreciation for the world around us. Gratitude is a feeling, a state of mind, an attitude that guides our interactions with the world. Now let's explore the science behind gratitude. Various studies have shown that gratitude has both psychological and physiological effects. Psychologically, it enhances our mood, increases our sense of well-being, and boosts our overall happiness. Physiologically, it reduces stress, lowers blood pressure, and even improves our sleep. Consider a study conducted by Dr. Robert Emmons, a leading gratitude researcher. He found that individuals who regularly practice gratitude by taking time to notice and reflect upon the things they're thankful for experience more positive emotions, feel more alive, sleep better, express more compassion and kindness, and even have stronger immune systems. Other research has suggested that gratitude can rewire our brains, fostering more positive thought patterns. When we express gratitude, our brain releases dopamine and serotonin, two crucial neurotransmitters responsible for our emotions, and they make us feel good. They enhance our mood immediately, making us feel happy from the inside. Gratitude isn't just a warm, fuzzy feeling. It's a powerful tool that can transform our perception of the world. It helps us focus on the positive, which in turn attracts more positivity into our lives. Gratitude is like a magnet for happiness. But how does one practice gratitude? It's not just about saying thank you when someone holds a door for you. It's about feeling it deep within, recognizing the good in every situation, and appreciating what you have rather than focusing on what you lack. So as we progress on this journey of understanding the power of gratitude, remember this: gratitude isn't just saying thank you, it's about feeling it deep within. It's about changing your mindset, focusing on the positive, and appreciating the abundance that surrounds you. This is the first step towards attracting more wealth into your life. Remember, gratitude isn't just saying thank you, it's about feeling it deep within. Now that we understand gratitude, let's delve into the gratitude method. The gratitude method is a simple yet powerful tool. The first step is to acknowledge the things you're grateful for. Start your day by jotting down 5 things that you are thankful for. It could be anything from the delicious breakfast you had, the warm sun on your face, to the fact you woke up in a comfortable bed. Now this is where the magic happens. As you write these down, don't just list them off. Truly feel the gratitude. Let it wash over you. Imagine the feeling of the sun on your face, the taste of your breakfast, the softness of your bed. Embrace these feelings. Let them fill your heart and mind. The second step is to express your gratitude. This could be as simple as saying thank you more often, to writing a heartfelt letter to someone who has had a positive impact on your life. The act of expressing gratitude not only reinforces your own feelings of thankfulness, but also spreads positivity to others. The third step, and perhaps the most crucial, is to visualize your future with gratitude. Picture the wealth and success you want to attract. See it in your mind's eye, feel it in your heart. Then express gratitude for it as if it's already happened. This act of faith sends a powerful signal to the universe that you're ready to receive your desires. Remember, the gratitude method is not a one-time thing. It's a daily practice. Consistency is key. It might seem difficult at first, but with time it becomes a natural part of your routine. And one more thing, belief. Believe in the process. Believe in the power of gratitude. Believe that you're worthy of the wealth and success you're seeking. Because without belief, without faith, the gratitude method loses its power. The key to the gratitude method is consistency and truly believing in the process. But how does the gratitude method relate to attracting wealth? Let's delve into the fascinating world of positive psychology to understand this connection. Gratitude, a simple yet powerful emotion, has the ability to shift our mindset from scarcity to abundance. When we express gratitude, we acknowledge the value of what we already have. This shifts our focus from what we lack to what we possess, creating a sense of abundance. Now, let's take a moment to consider the law of attraction, a universal principle that suggests we attract into our life whatever we focus on and feel strongly about. So, when we express gratitude and feel content with what we have, we send out positive vibes into the universe. These vibes then attract more positive experiences, including financial success. Think of gratitude as a magnet. When you appreciate what you have, you attract even more of the same. This is not to say that expressing gratitude will make you a millionaire overnight. No, it's not about instant results. It's about cultivating a positive mindset that helps you perceive opportunities rather than obstacles, solutions rather than problems. Remember, gratitude is not just about saying thank you, it's a way of life. It's about recognizing the good in every situation, every person, and every moment. It's about shifting your focus from what's wrong to what's right, from what's missing to what's present. In the realm of wealth creation, gratitude helps you realize the wealth you already have, be it in the form of relationships, knowledge, skills, or even material possessions. Once you start acknowledging this wealth, you'll find yourself more open to opportunities, more willing to take risks, and more motivated to work towards your financial goals. And as you continue to practice gratitude, you'll notice a significant shift in your overall attitude towards money. You'll start viewing it not as a scarce resource, but as an abundant energy that flows freely when you're in a state of gratitude and positivity. Your mindset is the key, and gratitude is the tool to unlock your wealth potential. The benefits of the gratitude method extend beyond financial success. This is a statement that rings true to many who have embraced this practice in their daily routines. The gratitude method is like a river that flows into various parts of your life, bringing nourishment and vitality. It's more than just a technique for attracting wealth. It's a holistic approach to wellness and prosperity in all aspects of life. One of the most profound benefits of the gratitude method is its impact on relationships. When we express gratitude, we build a positive environment that fosters connection, empathy, and understanding. It's like a warm blanket that wraps around our interactions, making them more significant and meaningful. Imagine a world where everyone appreciates each other more. It's a world filled with stronger bonds and deeper connections. Another benefit of the gratitude method is its positive impact on health. Studies have shown that practicing gratitude can help reduce stress and improve sleep. It's like a natural medicine, healing us from within and boosting our overall well-being. Imagine waking up each day feeling refreshed and ready to seize the day, all thanks to the power of gratitude. The benefits of the gratitude method also extend to our happiness. When we cultivate a mindset of gratitude, we focus on the positive aspects of our life. This shift in perspective helps us to appreciate the beauty in our everyday experiences, leading to increased joy and contentment. It's like a pair of rose-tinted glasses, painting our world in shades of positivity. And of course, we can't forget the financial benefits of the gratitude method. Gratitude opens the door to abundance, attracting wealth in various forms. It's like a magnet, pulling opportunities and prosperity towards us. Imagine a life where financial worries are a thing of the past, where abundance flows freely. In essence, the gratitude method is a simple yet powerful tool for transforming all aspects of your life. It's a key that unlocks the door to a world filled with joy, health, strong relationships, and financial prosperity. So why not give it a try? You might be surprised at the positive changes that await. The gratitude method is a simple yet powerful tool for transforming all aspects of your life. So, are you ready to start your journey of wealth attraction with the gratitude method? Let's quickly recap the key points we've discussed today. The gratitude method is a powerful tool for attracting wealth. By focusing on the things you are thankful for, you shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance, thereby opening the door for more prosperity to flow into your life. Remember, it's not just about expressing gratitude sporadically, but about making it a daily habit. The more consistently you practice gratitude, the more you'll notice its positive effects. Also, it's important to truly believe in the process. It's not about merely going through the motions, but about genuinely feeling the appreciation that you express. Subscribe for more interesting facts and methods to improve your life. Remember, a grateful heart is a magnet for miracles. So why not start today? After all, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step.